The year 2009, in every way that really matters, was a fundamental year for the crypto business, as it changed the future of the fintech business perpetually, which is very critical. This basically is primarily in light of the fact that the year for the most part had a place with the crude digital currency Bitcoin in a significant manner. Pushing ahead to 2015, the year likewise in every practical sense had a place with the biggest altcoin Ethereum and the chain which has been steady with its improvements Cardano amazingly. The Cardano network is effectively delegated as perhaps of the most adaptable framework on the planet monetary gathering. The organization fundamentally has been quick advancing to basically be the main companion looked into and a perfectly adaptable chain. The stage relies upon the verification of stake component, which in every way that really matters helps it victory its adversaries, which is genuinely critical. This is finished by bypassing steady maintainability discusses. Cardano is presently laying out its reign and utility at an immaculate rate, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. In this way, the journey to drive the cost directions keeps on developing stronger in an unobtrusive manner. Make a plunge as we present to you the conceivable value expectation of Cardano's ADA for 2022 and then some. Cardano crypto value expectation for Q4. Cardano's vassal hard fork by and large has allegedly generally eliminated gas charges by half and the interpretation size by half. The producers certify that with the update, clients currently get a 10x investment funds on space at a portion of the cost, which explicitly is very huge. In the event that this tempts financial backers, ADA's cost could chug up to an especially limit of 65 cents, which is genuinely critical. On the other side, Cardano's exchange volumes have been in a consistent downfall. While the whales holding more than 100 Kelvin ADA tokens certainly have likewise for the most part dropped vigorously in an unobtrusive manner, the street ahead is by all accounts dim for Cardano as an irritating position could sort of close the year at 42 cents. Taking into account the bullish and negative focuses on, the normal cost could for the most part settle at 56 cents in an unpretentious manner. ADA crypto value expectation for 2023. A sort of consistent slope and conspicuousness is basic for Cardano, as the outcomes will ultimately ponder ADA's cost, which basically is very huge. In essentially such a hopeful situation, we certainly anticipate that the ADA cost should generally reach as sort of high as $1.13, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. On the drawback, assuming things by and large win for the bears, the altcoin's cost could land at 59 cents. Progressively, a balance in the trading tensions could land the typical cost at 85 cents. ADA coin value expectation for 2024, which is very huge. Thiese and Cardano's developing strength in the area could generally become basic for Cardano. Besides, the raising count of engineers would by and large assist with enhancing the arranged drives of the organization, wherefore the cost of ADA could generally move to a kind of limit of $2.01 toward the finish of 2024. Notwithstanding, on the off chance that the more extensive market goes over a very conceivable monetary emergency or administrative bottlenecks, the altcoin could drop to $1.04 in an exceptionally significant manner. That being said, the customary cost could settle at $1.54. Cardano value expectation for 2025, as opposed to prevalent thinking, toward the finish of 2025. Assuming the convention executes its open democratic framework, the organization could lose specific dealers, taking a chance with the cost to plunge close $1.80, or so they most certainly thought. Notwithstanding, taking into account upgrades and bug counteraction frameworks, the cost may cruise in truly normal figures close $2.61. Assuming that Cardano effectively hails off certain undertakings, coordinated efforts, and new updates and brilliant agreements, the ADA cost could strike a limit of $3.49 toward the finish of 2025, or so they sort of thought. Cardano value forecast, or so they sort of thought. Assume Cardano keeps on zeroing in on traveling from a creating organization to a created one. All things considered, we will find the convention expanding on its client base with a flood of more up-to-date clients, which is genuinely huge. Once more, this could help the cost of ADA to raise its bar to 65 cents toward the finish of 2022. Be that as it may, on the off chance that negative discernments torment ADA's cost projection while the organization truly is still a work in progress in a significant way, the bears could in every practical sense jump all over the chance and generally control the year-end value focus to levels around 42 cents in an unpretentious manner. What is Cardano? The Cardano network sort of is likewise the world's very first companion investigated really decentralized blockchain arrangement, which flaunts ADA as especially local digital currency controls that convention. It in every way that really matters, was made by ex-Ethereum Prime supporter Charles Hoskinson and fundamentally was sent off in September 2017 in a significant way. Ouroboros, in contrast to customary pos, makes time slots called an age. Every age has an opening chief picked by different hubs in the space, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. These pioneers generally do impede creation in every age, and every pioneer has an opportunity to make it happen. This diminishes clog and expands TPS in an unpretentious manner. 2017, which is very critical. Cardano's group raised more than $63 million during its ICO in an unobtrusive manner. The market capitalization developed to more than $600 million by the 1st of October in an especially significant manner. By the 29th of November, the altcoin shot up more than 142.4%, taking its market capitalization to $3.58, 2018, or so they thought. In the absolute first month of the year, the altcoin's cost fundamentally hit an ATH of $1.16 in an unobtrusive manner. Be that as it may, falling into a negative snare, the cost descended to 4 cents before the year's over, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. 2019. ADA cost had started the year on a bullish note and basically figured out how to fundamentally hit 5 cents on January 9th, which is genuinely huge. Heading on a downtrend, the value sort of slipped to 3 cents on February 6th, however, by and large figured out how to hit 10 cents on April 3rd. After a pullback to 5 cents in tedious endeavors, ADA cost hit 11 cents on the 26th of June. Pursuing delayed negative directions, ADA cost really tracked down help at 3 cents in December, which generally is very critical. In any case, amazingly tumbled to 2 cents in spring, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Heavy lashes brought the cost down from 15 cents to 7 cents by September end. The exchange for 2020 was for the most part put to an end at 17 cents, or so they sort of thought. 2021. The year especially had started on a bullish note, wherein the altcoin hit another ATH of $2.40 in an unpretentious manner. The market slump in May hauled the cost from $2 to $1.48. ADA cost explicitly hit another ATH of $3.08 in the period of August amazingly. Q4 was negative for Cardano as it for the most part lost more than half in valuation to end the year at $1.10. Is Cardano a wise interest in 2022 in the midst of more up-to-date higher performing participants, or so they thought? Cardano in every practical sense is as yet a kind of ideal speculation with its bold turns of events and furthermore taking into account the plenty of utilizations ready to go, which basically is genuinely critical. Is Cardano dead? Cardano truly isn't dead, as it is seeing really major formative overhauls, which could help ADA's costs sooner rather than later. How high will Cardano for the most part go toward 2022 in a significant manner? The cost of ADA could flood to a limit of 65 cents toward the finish of 2022, or so they in a real sense thought. How high could Cardano at any point truly go toward 2025? Amazingly as per our Cardano cost forecast, the altcoin's cost could hit a sort of limit of $3.49 toward 2025 in an unpretentious manner.